Hello students, in this video we will solve this problem 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta multiplied by 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. We need to find its value. Evaluate means find the value of this. Okay. See, I told you a trick in one of our previous videos. We can substitute theta is equal to 45 degrees also, right? See, sine, cos, tan 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Okay, suppose this question is given in competitive exam and if you have 4 options, what should we do? Substitute theta is equal to 45 because 45 values will be easier for us. Okay, these are sine values and these are cos values, right? Sine divided by cos will give us tan. So this is 0 by 1 is 0, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 is 1 by root 3 and this is 1, this is root 3 and this is not defined. Okay, we have tan and secant, cot and cosecant. Okay, let us write cot also. Cot, since we are substituting 45 degrees, I'll write only 45 degrees here. Okay, 45 degrees values. Cot 45 is also 1. Okay, cosecant theta, cosecant 45, see 1 by root 2, if sine is 1 by root 2, cosecant will be reciprocal of that. Secant, reciprocal of cos, this will also be 1 root 2. Okay, now why are we not taking the other values? Because here we'll have not defined. See, this is 2 by root 3 and this will be 1, this will be 1, this will be 2 by root 3, this is 2 and this is not defined, and we finally wrote the complete table anyway, right? Since we are not taking, see, since we have not defined here, we don't take 0 because if we get not defined in this, it will be difficult for us. We cannot solve the problem. And we have not defined here in 90 degrees also. So don't take 0 degrees and 90 degrees. You can take 30 degrees and simplify this. You will get the answer. You can take 60 degrees and simplify. You will get the answers. But in 30 degrees, we have root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3, right? Some difficult numbers will be there. Whereas here, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 root 2, root 2, these are little easier compared to 30 and 60 degrees. So we generally take 45 degrees. Okay. This trick you can apply for competitive exams. If 4 options are given, if you don't know which one is correct, just use 45 degrees, theta is equal to 45 degrees and you will get the answer. Let us do that. 1 plus tan 45. See, we are taking theta is equal to 45. We are considering theta is equal to 45 plus secant 45 degrees. Okay. And here it will be 1 plus cot 45 minus cosecant 45 degrees. Okay, so 1 plus tan 45 is 1 plus secant 45 is root 2. Tan 45 is 1, secant 45 is root 2, and here 1 plus cot 45 is 1 minus cosecant 45 is root 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2, so this will be 2 plus root 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1 is 2 minus root 2. Okay, this is of the form a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So a plus b multiplied by a minus b will be equal to how much? A square minus b square. In the same way, 2 plus root 2, 2 minus root 2 will be equal to how much? 2 square minus root 2 square. Okay, so 2 square is 4 minus root 2 square. Root 2 square, root 2 multiplied by root 2 will be equal to 2. So 4 minus 2, it is equal to 2. Okay, so the answer is equal to 2. Alright, this is one method of solving it. If we have 4 options, okay, and if we don't know how to simplify this problem, we can take theta is equal to 45. Okay, let me just rub this, and if this is given in the board exam and if you want to write all the steps and get full marks, then what should we do? Okay, just follow along. See, this is 1 plus tan plus secant multiplied by 1 plus cot minus cosecant. Okay, can we write tan as sin theta by cos theta, because tan is sin by cos, plus secant we can write it as 1 by cos theta. Okay, and here 1 plus cot theta. What is cot? We can write cot as cos divided by sin, minus cosecant we can write it as 1 by sin theta. Okay, all right. Now see here, this is 1, so let us write it as 1 by 1. This also let us write it as 1 by 1. Okay, now see, here we have cos, here we have cos. If we have cos here, it will be easy for us to add the numerators, right? So this 1 by 1, can I write it as cos by cos? Cos by cos is 1 by 1 only, right? Cos theta divided by cos theta is 1 by 1 only. Okay, or see, it is same thing as taking LCM of 1 cos theta and cos theta, or these two terms are different. So let us simplify these two terms. Multiply 1 into cos will be cos, and if you cross multiply this, cos into 1 plus sin into 1 is sin, plus 1 by cos theta here, like this. Okay, all right, it is same thing. And what about this one? 1 into sin is sin. We are simplifying these two terms. Cross multiply 1 into sin is sin, plus cos into 1 is cos theta, minus 1 by sin theta. Okay, so this is actually equal to cos plus sin plus 1 divided by cos theta. Okay, denominators are same, so we are writing it one time, cos plus sin plus 1. Okay, here denominators are same, write it one time, sin plus cos minus 1, sin plus cos minus 1. So this sin plus cos, what I'll do is I'll write it as cos plus sin. Okay, cos plus sin, cos plus sin. Why? Because we have cos plus sin plus 1, cos plus sin minus 1. Okay, so can we take this as A and this as B? This whole thing is A and this is B. So see, this will become A plus B, A minus B. Okay, so we have A plus B multiplied by A minus B. So this will become A square minus B square. Don't get confused here. See, cos plus sin. Take this as one term, A plus 1 is B. Cos plus sin is A minus 1 is B. Okay, so A square minus B square. So this will be A square, but in place of A we have cos plus sin. So cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus B square. A square minus B square. Okay, B is 1. Multiply this, cos multiplied by sin. So this is cos multiplied by sin. Okay, now let us expand this using A plus B whole square formula. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay, so this will be cos square plus 2 cos theta multiplied by sin theta plus sin square theta. We have minus 1 divided by cos theta multiplied by sin theta. Okay, we know an identity. Okay, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, or sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, right? So cos square plus sin square is equal to 1. So we have cos square here, cos square theta plus sin square theta here. So cos square theta plus sin square theta will become 1, right? So I'll write 1 here, 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1, this minus 1, and cos theta multiplied by sin theta. This 1 minus 1 will become 0. Okay, So let us cancel, see, cos square plus sin square, that will become 1. 1 minus 1. So 1 here minus 1. So this minus 1 and plus 1 becomes 0. Okay. So what do we have? Cos multiplied by sin here. So cos cancel, sin cancel. Answer will be equal to 2. Okay. I hope you understood this problem. Thank you so much for watching the video.